To make money on Amazon, you just need to bring value on the market. Have a look. If you are struggling every day to drink water, if you wanna increase every day the amount of water that you are drinking, you really need a bottle like this one, because this bottle will remind you when to drink, will tell you the time, 8, 9, 10 a.m. Don't give up, and will help you during the day to increase the amount of water you're drinking every day. So there is value. The only way to make money on Amazon is to bring hot products on the market, but to bring value as well. As you can see, 59 reviews selling at $13.99, but have a look at the search volume. So I said before, hot product is very hot, because have a look at water bottles, 46,000, water bottle, not plural, 180,000. So if we go back on the listing, have a look at the listing, 59 reviews. This listing is amazing. They just started in April 2021 and they are making a lot of money, but they deserve it. Have a look. These are all the different colors, okay? They deserve to make money because they're doing an excellent job. They create a top listing. The product I didn't buy yet, it looks amazing, and I'm sure there is value behind, because if, let's say you don't like to drink water or you're struggling to drink water, have a look. Remember your goal. Don't give up. Almost there, and at the end of the day, you did it. So this is amazing. But what about the rest? I just want to show you how competitive is this market, but how they're still making money. So it's not about how many sellers with how many reviews are in the market, but how you are advertising your product. Have a look. On the right, we have 2,157 reviews. 2,157 reviews. But have a look at this one. 11 reviews, still making 9,000. And next to it, 2,000 reviews, making 10,000. So you see, it's all about how you're building your listing. And let's check other sellers, because there are, on top of that one that is making 14,000 pounds with 59 reviews, the listing that we were checking before. Have a look at this one. 4,000 reviews is making 28,000. Okay, but what about the one with the 11 reviews? 11 reviews making 9,000 pounds, 67 reviews making 9,000 pounds. So this is very important, and we show you how you can make it and how you can make money on Amazon. Have a look at this picture. The listing is amazing, is insane. Just copy and paste and make money.